Hey there, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, and today I'm going to take you through a new brokerage listing of ours. This is a 2020 Boston Whaler 240 Dauntless. This boat has been dry stacked since new. 155 hours on a Mercury 300 Verado. That's the V8 naturally aspirated 4.6 liter engine. Features the full bench seat along the back. The backrest in the down position. You've got a nice casting platform. Slide out cooler beneath the helm seat. Backrest pivots to face either fore or aft with storage beneath. Got a touchscreen Raymarine 9-inch unit. Mercury vessel view display. Trim tabs with LED indicators. Lockable glove box. Freshwater washdown, raw water washdown. Live well up in front of the console seat. Fusion Bluetooth stereo. Backrests up in the bow that raise and lower. You have storage beneath all three of these cushions. Again, live well is beneath this seat here. Boat has a nice hardtop with overhead storage, overhead lighting, and rocket launcher style rod holders along the back. JL audio speakers throughout the boat. There's where your freshwater sprayer is located. Reboarding ladder off the starboard side. Raw water connection there. This boat does have the ski pole option, which just goes right there. It's just currently stowed beneath the seat on the aft end. And that's a walkthrough of this 2020 240 Dauntless. If you have any questions about this boat or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889. Again, I'm Carl Anderson, and thanks for watching.